How to set up a PayPal business account for Shopify. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a PayPal business account for Shopify. The first step in setting up PayPal on Shopify is creating a PayPal business account. To do this, visit the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address, business name, and contact details. Once completed the sign-up process, you will have access to your PayPal business account. After creating your PayPal business account, you will need to integrate it with your Shopify store. To do this, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings tab. From there, click on Payment Providers and select PayPal from the list of available options. Enter your PayPal account email address and save the changes. Once your PayPal business account is set up and integrated with Shopify, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. From there, click on Payment Providers. Scroll down to find the Alternative Payment section and click Choose Alternative Payment. Here, find the option to enable PayPal as the payment provider. Select PayPal and click Activate. After activating PayPal, you need to configure the settings for a seamless integration. As the next step, click on the Edit button next to PayPal in your list of payment providers. Here, you will find various options to customize your PayPal checkout experience. Place a test order via PayPal to confirm transaction success and address issues before real purchases. For issues, check PayPal and Shopify Docs, contact support, or consult a developer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.